All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you hear any dogs snoring or some clocks ticking, you can just excuse that. I apologize. But anyways, I sped up this video a little bit to save you guys some time. So this is a 480 volt, 3-phase, 30 amp receptacle install, as you can tell by the title. So just starting out, I went ahead and mounted a ground pigtail already. This is 10 gauge wire. Because it's a long pole, so you might have different size wire, but with the 10 gauge wire I matched it with the 10 gauge ground with a eyelet crimp on. So I just went ahead and had that already installed, and these boxes are just floating here right now, so ignore that. These are going to get supported tomorrow or on Monday once we get the parts. But as far as installing this, there is 3 brass screws and 1 green screw. The green screw goes to the ground, and the 3 gold screws, my coworkers said that doesn't matter, but we are going ahead and keeping it in order with X to brown, Y to orange, and Z to yellow. Just alphabetical X, Y, Z, brown, orange, yellow. So that's what I'm going with. And then I have like I said, a pigtail coming off of the box, pigtail off of the plug, and then the wire coming down from the wire pull. So there's 3 grounds, and then I'm just going to wire nut those together real quick, and then also throw a piece of tape around the outlet once I get that all done to protect someone if they pull the plug out. If someone inexperienced or anything like that starts messing around with the box, they're not going to get hurt. Also, if there's any wire that ever pops off or anything like that, it's not going to be touching the outside of the plug or anything like that, make any explosions. So always just safe to wrap a tape around it. I know technically you don't need to do that. As long as everything isn't touching, it's fine, but never hurts to add a piece of tape around it. And my coworker wanted that as well, so I already had that done, so save some time already. So once you get all those colors mounted and tightened, I always use a flat screwdriver to torque it, make sure the connections are tight, and install the wire on the incoming side of the screw hole, if you know what that means. Basically, you want to screw the wire into the plate. You want to put the wire on the side of the screw where it tightens down and doesn't push the wire out, if that makes sense. So once you get all that done, grab the cover, put the 2 screws in through the cover into the outlet or the receptacle, and then go ahead and fold your wires back into the box. You can put your wire nut facing up if that is something you like to do, but if you have water inside the building, you have bigger problems than that. Anyways, take the screws off the box and then put the screws through the cover, industrial raised, if that's something you're working with, and then put the screws back through the cover like I was saying, and then back into the box, and that's it. So make sure none of your wires are going to get smashed or compressed into the cover. Make sure nothing is going to be touching, and then tighten it down, and then you have your finished product there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace out.